Good morning, student. Hope all of you are fine. Okay, take out your English book, Oxford Progressive English. So today we will do page number 6, Unit 1, Lesson 4, Sentences. Question is given to us. Complete the sentence with these words. Word bank is given to us. Post word is she, he, they, it. As you know that she, he, they, it are the pronouns. What are the pronouns? Pronouns we use instead of noun. Instead of name, we will use these pronouns. Like if we have the girl name is Sarah, so what we will use? She. As we have a boy name is Ali, instead of his name Ali, we will use he because he is a boy. So for the boys we use he, and for the girls we use she. And when there are the many, we are talking about many people, so we use they. When there is not one person, we are talking about more than one person, so we use they. It we use for the animal and non-living thing. We will use it for the animals and non-living things. Okay, there are some questions are given to us, so we have to fill that blanks. As you can see that pictures, so there are the pictures and we will read that. First they have done for us, they are playing with a ball, because there are how many girls? Two girls, so they have written they are playing with the football. Dash is running, so you can see that there is a dog. So what we will write down there? It, it. Then there is written dash are reading books. So there are three boys who are reading books. So what we will write down there? We will write down they are reading books. Then there is a dash is dancing. So there is a girl. So what we will write down? She is dancing. Instead of girl, we will write down she is dancing. Now, can you see this picture? Dash is mending a cup. So, he is mending a cup. In number 6 blank, Dash is sitting down. So, what is there? Cat. So, it is sitting down. Okay, with the help of these word bank words, we have to fill that blanks. Now come to the B part. What we will do, complete these sentences. As we have done the that A part, so we will do now the B part. Dash is a boy. As I told you that for the boys what we will write down? He. And for the animals we use it. And for the women and girls we use she. And when we are talking about more things or more persons, so what we will write down? They. He is a boy. Dash is a dog. It is a dog. Dash is a man. He is a man. Dash is a girl. She is a girl. Dash are boys. They are boys. Dash is a cat. It is a cat. Dash is a woman. She is a woman. So you have to do that in your homework. Now move to the D part. Match the small letters to the capital letters. So there are letters, capital letters and small letters are given to us. Okay, so these are the small letters and these are the capital letters. So we have to find first, as they have done for us, A with A, B with B, F with F, S with S, P with P, M with small m. So capital letters we have to match the small letters. Capital letters with the small letters. We have to match with the small letters. Now there are E part is given to us. Use capital letters in these names. So what we will use? We will write down capital letters, as we know that the name and the first letter should be the capital, and name are the specific name. So for the names and for the places names, we will write down the capital letter. Like first they have done Ali, and then there is IZA they have given. So what we will write down? Fiza. Then there is a ARA, and what is missing there? S, Sarah. So there what we will write down? APA. So P is missing, capital P. So Papa, capital M, and then it become Mama. Then there is B, capital B. So what it become? Bhalu. So hope all of you are understand this. So you have to do that work, okay, and then send it to me. Allah Hafiz.